Good morning, guys. Good morning, guys. Say it.
Guys.
Say hi.
Hi.
Kawawa na kami ni Sawyer, guys. Nakagising lang na. Maaga siya ngayon nagising, guys. 8, anong oras na ba? 8:11. Nagising na siya. Maaga kasi siya natulog kagabi mga 9. Natutulog to siya, guys, mga 10 or 11. Magluluto muna ako ngayon, guys, ng breakfast. Eggs, scrambled eggs, at ham. I-ready natin ito, guys. Yan, kasi magluluto tayo ng itlog. Makati yung ilong ko, guys. Dry na dry sa amin dito. Nono lagi. Nono lagi. Nono. Leave it to me. Leave it to me. You got fall there. Ito yung ulam namin kagabi, guys. Chicken. Okay, try it. Try it. That's cucumber. Yeah, cucumber. Say cucumber. Cucumber. Good job. You're gonna fall. Be careful. Is it good? Thumbs up if it's good. No? Good? Say thumbs up. Thumbs up. Sour. Sour. Nagre-ready na si Shelton, guys, kasi papasok ko siya sa school.
I'm not excited to go to school at all.
Why?
I just want to stay home.
Hindi ko pa siya ginising, guys. Hindi siya magigising. Kasi anong oras na. Nagising siya mga 7:45. Dapat nagigising siya mga 7:30 kasi maliligo pa siya, ganyan. Eh ngayon, late siya nagising. Kasi yung alarm niya hindi nag-work. Are you going to ride a scooter?
Can you take me?
I can't. You said to daddy, scooter. Why not the scooter? I always taking you and then bring your scooter.
It's so cold.
It's cold. There's a jacket. It's not cold really. It's not windy outside, so you can ride your scooter. Naghanap siya kanina kay Sam. Pero si Sam, maaga kasi si Sam eh. Nagising si Sam is 6 o'clock. Tapos hinahatid siya ng asawa ko, guys. Anong oras pa siya naghinatid, ha? 7 pala. 7:05 yan. Umaalis na sila dito. Yan, guys. Luto na ang eggs. Scrambled eggs. Para sa asawa ko, guys. Why is your pack bag is very full? Huh?
Because I have my jacket in there.
Jacket or football?
I have my football, my jacket, my phone.
Close the pantry, please.
Is that Samantha's?
I don't know. Close it. Yung bag niya, guys. Nagdadala siya ng football. Faster now, Shelton. It's already 8:25. Oh?
No, it's not. It's 8:23.
Huh?
That's plenty of time to go.
So, the other one is advanced. Faster. So, dito ko lang ito. Sa pinaglutuan ko na scrambled egg, guys.
Mommy!
Yes.
No!
The ice?
Yes!
Pick it up. Brother will pick it up. Okay?
Mommy!
What happened to your knee?
I saw him.
Huh?
He maybe said the ice
Oh.
Mom, did you know if you put ice in your water and it floats down, that means you've been frozen?
I don't know. Pagod din pagkaluto ng aking itlog. Yan. Gusto ko yung may ano ba. Parang pagod sa. Yan oh. Yan ang tinatawag na pancake eggs. Kasi parang pancake siya pagkaluto, guys. Brother is going.
See you in 3 hours, okay? Bye.
Bye.
Love you, Mommy.
Do you want to pick it up the ice and throw in the garbage?
Okay, Mommy. Bye.
Be careful riding your scooter though.
Okay.
Bye, brother. Oh no. Don't do that. Brother, go. Brother, go to school now. Galit siya, guys. And eat breakfast. Do you wanna eat breakfast?
No, Dad eats breakfast.
Do you miss brother and Sisi?
Yeah.
Oh. A lot?
Yeah.
So, ayan guys. Ham naman ang aking niluluto ngayon. Big eggs. Count, B? Count. Count ba?
5, 6.
What's 6? 7.
8, 9, 10.
1. 11. Basa na tayo dong. Nako. Good job, so. Good job. High five. Good. High five. High five. Good job. So, ayan guys. Kakain na si Sawyer ng scrambled eggs at saka toasted bread. Careful. Be? May orange juice siya. Yummy? Mommy's gonna take it. Wow. So yummy. May tunog pa talaga. Eat na, eat! Na? Don't drink too much or you're gonna get full. What?
Cold.
Cold? Don't drink too much, okay? Just eat now. Eat your scrambled eggs and jelly and bread.
Okay.
Is this low battery? Okay. Almost. Yummy, Sawyer. Good job, Suso. Dito kami guys sa bus stop, yung kung saan nakapark yung mga school bus dahil naiwan ni Samantha guys ang kanyang cellphone sa loob ng school bus. So, kailangan naming pick upin, guys. Kaya andito kami, oh. So, ayan yung mga bus, guys, oh.